Okay, so you mentioned wanting some real tools, practical ways to feel less overwhelmed, maybe find a bit more focus.
Yeah, something concrete.
Well, that's what this deep dive is about. We're going right back to basics, something fundamental, your breath.
Right. In yoga, there's this concept, pranayama.
Exactly. Prana is life force, and ayama is like to extend or control it.
And the key thing really is that breathing is automatic, right? We do it all the time without thinking.
Uh-huh.
But you can consciously control it. And when you do that, it's like having a remote control for your nervous system. You can actually shift how you feel pretty quickly.
Like a direct line to your mental state. I like that.
Yeah.
So, our mission today, give you a few simple breathing techniques, stuff you can use right away, and hopefully notice a difference in daily life.
Sounds good. Where should we start?
Let's begin with the foundation, really. Diaphragmatic breathing, belly breathing.
Okay, yeah. So the way to do this is pretty simple. Just put one hand on your belly, low down, and the other hand lightly on your chest. Then you take a slow, deep breath in through your nose. And the key is you want to feel your belly rise, like it's filling up with air, more than your chest.
So the hand on the belly moves out.
Exactly. The hand on the chest should stay relatively still. Then you just exhale slowly through your mouth and feel the belly fill back down.
It sounds simple, but you were saying this has a real physiological effect.
Oh, absolutely. That deep belly focused breath, it actually sends a signal to your brain. It basically says, hey, things are safe. You can relax.
Ah, so it calms the nervous system down.
Precisely. It helps counteract that fight or flight response that often kicks in when we're stressed or anxious. It activates the parasympathetic nervous system, the rest and digest state.
And that's why it helps with feeling overwhelmed.
That's a big part of it, yeah. Reduces those immediate feelings of anxiety.
And the best part is you don't need any special equipment or place.
Not at all.
Yeah.
Before a meeting, if you feel a wave of anxiety coming on, even trying to fall asleep,
Yeah,
just a few of these deep belly breaths can make a real difference.
it's always accessible.
Always there. Kind of makes you wonder how often we actually do breathe that deeply during a normal, stressed out day.
Probably not often enough. We tend towards that shallow chest breathing when stressed, don't we?
Yeah, which can actually make the anxiety worse.
Yes.
It's a bit of a cycle.
Okay, so that's diaphragmatic breathing for calm. What's next?
Let's talk about focus. Box breathing is excellent for that.
Box breathing. Okay, how does that one work?
It's all about rhythm and structure. Think of a square. You inhale through your nose for a count of, say, 4.
Okay, inhale for 4.
Then you hold your breath gently for another count of 4.
Hold for 4.
You exhale slowly and in through your mouth again for 4 counts.
Exhale 4.
And finally, you hold the breath out for a final count of 4. Starting again.
Inhale 4, hold 4, exhale 4, hold 4. Like tracing the box.
Exactly. That visualization is really nice.
And this is the one used by like high performers.
You hear about Navy SEALs using it, pilots, surgeons, people who need to stay incredibly focused under intense pressure.
Wow. Why does it work so well?
Well, it seems to help regulate the balance of oxygen and carbon dioxide in the body. That steady rhythm of holds. It kind of resets your nervous system and enhances mental clarity. Stops the mind racing.
So if you're feeling scattered, mentally juggling too much, or just losing concentration,